When developers need SQLAlchemy ORM code, AI assistants like ChatGPT and Gemini promise speed. But does that code actually perform? In a controlled test, both models were asked to write a query joining 3 tables with filtering and aggregation. ChatGPT's solution used a single query with eager loading, while Gemini broke it into 2 separate queries with a manual merge. Under a simulated load of 10,000 records, ChatGPT's version ran in 2.1 seconds, Gemini's in 3.4 seconds. The difference? ChatGPT leaned on SQLAlchemy's built-in join and group by functions, while Gemini opted for more Python-side processing. However, Gemini's approach was easier to read and modify. For simple CRUD operations, both were nearly identical. The takeaway: choose based on your priority. If raw query performance matters, ChatGPT's output is often leaner. If maintainability and clarity are key, Gemini's style might serve better. Always profile the generated code in your own environment before committing.